Okay, let's have a look at the Lightning design system, which I think it's the Salesforce design system. I reviewed so many these days. I'm getting lost, but yeah, I think it's Salesforce. Yeah. I'm not sure how recently updated this is, but yeah, not yet up to date with all the Figma stuff. They do have, as you'd expect with Salesforce, you can do so many things in their system, so you can expect that their UI and design system is going to be good. They're a bit too brutalistic, but again, you have to consider how much they have to optimize for accessibility, stuff like that. It's going to be a bit over-designed and over-optimized. That it's not going to look that sexy. Reminds me a bit of an older Microsoft before they started doing good design again. Yeah, they even showed like illustrations and stuff. Yeah, overall, if you need like a complex design system that has lots of options and stuff, I think that this one is a pretty good one to start with. I wish they had included more examples, maybe a page with a couple that you can delete easily. But other than that, it's pretty solid. A bit older, could use some more auto layout and stuff as they do on buttons. But again, there might be also, I know they have some internal apps and they can pull basically from Figma and build the app. So there might be some code dependencies there, which is why they don't super optimize it. But yeah, overall, again, not bad if you need a robust system.